Oh, this is gorgeous. Good morning, everyone. If you're new around here, my name is David Kraus, and today I'm doing a little bit of trout fishing. It's my birthday. What better to do? Woke up early this morning, drove quite a ways to some new water, just doing a little bit of exploring. It's my favorite way to do it. Beautiful water behind me here, as you can see. Fast runs, slow pools. Should be an awesome morning of trout fishing. Head down to the river here, do a little bit of fishing. Thanks for coming along with me on my birthday. I'm gonna walk down and fish a little bit of this first. So this is the main branch right here. Main branch goes off to the right, and this is this little trib flowing in. We did get a little bit of rain last night, so I might fish this trib up for a little ways. We'll see. Oh my, first cast, we got a little brown on. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. On the ripstop 90. Oh my. This is gonna be a fun morning, guys. This is what we're after right here. Brown trout. Absolutely gorgeous fish. I don't usually get too excited, but I'm pretty pumped today. I think it's gonna be a really good morning of fishing. That water feels really good. It's been a pretty low, hot spring, but that water feels good and cold, which is what you want. To start off today, I'm throwing the Rapala Ripstop size 9. This is just the silver and black pattern. They don't make this in a trout pattern, any kind of a rainbow or brown or brook trout pattern. Man, if they did, oh, that would be awesome. So if any of you guys working at Rapala are listening or watching this, make one in a trout flavor, because it would be good. Can't decide if we should leave the main branch or not. Pretty good water right here. This trib looks nice and cool though. Do we want to go after more fish and smaller fish today, or less fish and bigger fish? This is a pretty tiny tributary. We'll see how much cover there is. That'll determine what kind of fish can hold out up in here. They don't need a lot of water as long as they have some cover. And so far, this looks pretty good. We got some fast runs and then some kind of slower, deeper pools. I mean, this pool right here is only probably 1.5 feet deep. But as long as you got logs down and cover, it could hold some good fish. Yep. All right. That's what I was looking for. Oh, sweet. In the net, yes! Oh, I got another lure in my net. First nice brown of the day, probably a little 14-incher. Super pretty little fish, all colored up. Awesome. Happy birthday to me. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at the scenery here, guys. It's just gorgeous. Got these beautiful runs that slows down into these pools. And it is pretty, pretty, pretty. Another one. Next cast. All right. Maybe we'll start getting into a bunch of fish here. Oh, a nice little tiny brown. The future is bright. Look at that. Oh. See ya. Hey, we're finding some fish. They are full of energy today. There's a good fish. Oh yeah, there's a really good fish. Nice. Oh, it's foul hooked. Right in the back. Interesting. And it just popped out. That's why it felt like a big fish, because it was pulling hard. Hook popped right out. Oh, beautiful specimen right there. Tell you what, guys, I like my net. This is a net that was sent to me by Opro's Gear. If you guys want to buy anything off their website, there's a link in the description box below. And if you use code KrausOutdoors15, all capital letters, you get 15% off your order. So they have nets, and they have the rod holder belt clips, what my pole is sitting in right now. They got a bunch of stuff on there, so go check out their site. That's cool. Little feeder coming down. Nice fish. Nice fish is hiding underneath that log. That's cool. Easy. All right, all right, all right. Best fish of the day so far. They're getting bigger. A little bit of red towards the tail there. Those spots are kind of red, but up towards the front, all black spots. Very cool. Textbook brown trout ambush spot. The river's wide and shallow. Right here it narrows. A little bit more current, and then you got some trees down. So underneath these trees, there's a little pocket there where that fish can sit. So he's got cover from birds and from prey above. He's got nothing can sneak up behind him because all this, downfall, and he's just watching stuff as it comes down the pipeline. He sees something he wants, he's sitting there underneath this log, he sees something he wants, he swipes out, takes a bite, and he's right back in the cover. Very minimal effort and very little time spent where he's exposed. So that's what you're looking for. Another good, same thing on the other side of the river here. We'll see if there's one over here. Usually they won't be right across from each other, but sometimes you'll find that. The closer you can work your bait to that cover, the less effort and the less risk for that fish to come out and swipe at it. So it's a constant battle of not getting your lure stuck and getting it as close to the cover as you can. All right, switching to a spinner. This is a Bachman spinner here. Tim and Chris Bachman out of Kalamazoo, Michigan. That's an orange one. Catfish. Oh, easy. Pretty one there. He chomped the old spinner. Well, everyone, that's going to do it for me today. Time to head back home, see the family for a little bit, and then get some work done. Thanks for tagging along with me. See you guys in the next one.